All right, good morning. Christian Rivera here at Classic Cars of Palm Beach. We're doing a walk around video on this 2015 Mercedes Sprinter van. This thing is pretty cool. We're going to do this video really to point out any blemishes whatsoever so that there's no surprises to any of our out-of-town or out-of-area buyers. All right, so we're going to start right with the front bumper. You got a little bit of a push in here on the bumper, but the bumper as a whole is in very, very good condition. Headlights in great shape. Grille looks real good. Second headlight looks real good. Hood looks good. No major scratches, dents, or dings. A little bit of fade on the Mercedes emblem. Front fender looks real good. No scratches, dents, or dings. Side view mirror looks excellent. Front wheel on the driver's side looks great. No curb rash. Brand new set of tires on it. Driver door looks perfect. Side step looks excellent. Side panel on the driver's side all looks fantastic. No scratches, dents, or dings. Rear quarter panel looks fantastic as well. It's a matching set of new tires. The rear wheel has no curb rash either. Rear bumper looks excellent. Tow hitch. Glass is all in great shape here. The carpet is just super clean. It still smells like it's brand new inside. See, you've got some outlets. Seating is fantastic. This is just a little wear right there. Small sink, countertop. This opens up to what is a head unit. Again, this carpeting, everything is just super clean inside. Seats all look fantastic. See, you've got all your AC controls here. This is pretty neat. Oh, there you go. I will tell you the armrest doesn't stay put, so that'll need a little bit of attention. This one's fine. Cup holders. Second set of cup holders down there as well. Passenger side, all the taillights look great. Here on the passenger side, we're in great shape here as well. Little tiny scuff down here. Actually, that's just dirt. Rear wheel on the passenger side, no curb rash. That looks great. Matching tires. That's pretty awesome. Power side step that comes out to help people get in. Gotta like that. Very sturdy. Passenger door. panel all looks fantastic.